Hello, welcome back to a brand new vlog. I hope you're all doing well. The sun is shining, spring is on its way. I feel like I always have to start off with a little weather report. Today I'm halfway through doing the bathroom. I need a break from painting and just being stuck in that room. So I've decided I cannot reach for the mini eggs any longer. Like, I cannot stop eating mini eggs. That was a big mistake, putting them in a jar. Every time I walk past, I just pick up a couple. I'm going to make chocolate chip and peanut butter protein balls this morning, just so I've got something to reach for rather than the mini eggs. Now, I'm not the best cook, chef or anything like that, but this recipe did look really easy and they're no bake. 1.5 cup of rolled oats. I hate when it does it in cups. I don't have a cup to measure. What kind of cup? What size is a cup? Is it a big cup, small cup? So half a cup's that. I'm gonna do 6 chocolate protein from my protein, a teaspoon of cinnamon. So I made a start on clearing up the garden at the weekend. So hopefully, should be able to get out there and start planting soon. Honey, this is why I'm never that good at cooking. I lose interest halfway through and I just think, I can't be able to get the scales out, can't be able to measure anything. Let's just see how it goes. Vanilla extract, raisins or chocolate chips. Well, I'm going to put both in because I really have a sweet tooth. So it's very dry, very dry. I've got to put milk in yet. It smells delicious. But will it be better than mini eggs? I hope everyone is doing good. Quite a lot of scary things happening in the world right now. I've had to stop just scrolling on social media. Hopefully, my videos give you a little bit of time out from scrolling, and yeah, I hope everyone is feeling okay and safe. Oh my god, that smells so nice. Okay. Or is this just how they're meant to be? Are they just meant to be this? I can't get this off my hands. Little baby one. Now I'm going to put these in the fridge for about half an hour. Yum. So I just used chocolate powder, oats, honey, vanilla extract, cinnamon, milk, peanut butter, chocolate chips and some raisins. Probably would recommend putting them on like a bit of grease-proof paper, but I didn't actually have any. It's still a bit sticky, but that is almost as good as a cream egg. Oh, I'm chuffed with those. Good morning. It's been a few days since I last picked up the camera. What's been happening? Basically, my bathroom has taken over my life. My downstairs, it's not a bathroom, downstairs toilet has taken me a lot longer than I thought it was going to take. I'm so deluded. I was like, one day and it will be done. It's taken over a week and it's still not finished. That will be in another video. I'm kind of doing two vlogs at the same time here, so probably gonna get confused on what I've told you and what I haven't. One room has just literally made the whole house just turn upside down. There's just stuff absolutely everywhere. So I've had a quick tidy up this morning, and now I'm going to, so my bulbs have flowered and that's kind of it now, I think, until next year. So I'm gonna take these out and then plant some mini daffodils. Still alive, but they're not gonna flower anymore. And then I'm gonna put them just outside, finish off doing their thing, and then plant them maybe in the garden in the autumn time, and then have them outside for next year. 2 things today. It's World Book Day. So this is like my daughter's favourite day of the entire year, apparently. She said she has not stopped going on about it and planning her outfit. She's gone as Dorothy from The Wizard of Oz. I'll pop a little picture of how she went off to school this morning. Any millennials? No, I'm sure we didn't do things like this when I was at school. I'm sure every single week there's something different with her school, which is brilliant for her because she absolutely adores anything like that. But yeah, I don't remember doing World Book Day or anything like that. So yeah, if you was a child of the 90s, did you do World Book Day? Was it like more of an American thing and it's come over here? And for me, phone said that I have been alcohol-free for 1,000 days today. So I'm going to celebrate with a drink. No, I'm joking. I could have seen almost 3 years ago that I would have made it to 1,000 days. I wouldn't have believed you. Originally, it was only meant to be 30 days that I wasn't going to drink for. And then, yeah, just slowly it's carried on. Another a little milestone. I don't really count days. Sort of did at the first year, or months or weeks, whatever. But yeah, I didn't really count days. But when I saw that, I was like, oh, that's quite a nice milestone. Oh, there's a little money slider on there. Is that a sign? Did I play the lottery? Trust me to do this after I've just hoovered. Leave them outside and then store them in a box once they're done. Why do you come through with so much anger when you open that door?
Huh? Anger?
Yeah, you open that door like you're on a mission.
I actually thought I was smiling to myself.
No, I didn't look, I just heard the noise of the door. I've cleaned that chair. Yeah, well, you just walked past it.
They come up right.
Well, I think time will tell when it's dry.
How's she getting dropped off?
Yeah, very excited to be Dorothy. Just click. So we had a chair where our Christmas tree was in the corner. Had a chair that's been like in an outbuilding since Christmas, and I haven't got around to bringing it back in. It's just been the spot for my washing for the last 3 months, which is terrible. So I've given it a nice clean, and I'll bring that back in. The sun's shining, so that should hopefully dry it nice and quick. I love that. That looks cute. Right, I'll link the bowl and everything. I feel like you can't even see what I'm doing. Link the bowl and everything below, and this moss. So this is fake moss. It actually looks a lot more realistic now. It's got some soil stuck in it. Gorgeous! Ignore that combination behind me. I've just chucked them there. I don't know if they actually go. So, actually can't remember what I ordered. Get next day delivery. So I ordered this Saturday or Sunday. Might have been Friday. It's Thursday. Not ASOS's fault, just delivery company. Literally knocking on the door and then basically running off. I was like, wait, I'm here. Love this. That is really nice. It's called The Frolic. Feels really good quality as well. It's got padding. Although I always find with my swimming costumes, the padding just ends up down by my belly. Like, but that actually look, oh, that's not going to happen because it's stitched in. Oh, this is like the Hunza style, but like, I think this was about £25 rather than about 125 from the same brand, The Frolic. And it's got little tortoiseshell hoops. Oh, I absolutely love that. Perfect. Oh, yes. Just a black ribbed vest top with like buttons going down. Like a nice easy cover up. It's a play suit. So it's shorts. And then it's got adjustable straps. That bow. Love. Obviously in brown. Let's draw on this one. As soon as I ordered it, I was like, actually. Oh no, actually. So it's like a black denim material, quite thick, with pockets. Just a play suit. Okay, I'm going to show you this one, not my legs though, but it is shorts. Love it. Perfect for around the pool on holiday or just of an evening, and it's got little bow straps on the back. This is the swimming costume. Absolutely love this. I've got a very long body and very short legs with sizing up in this because it does feel like I'm a little bit hunched over. And then this is the brown one. This one fits a lot better. There's a bit more stretch to it, although there's no padding at all in the swimming costume, but it covers nicely on the butt. So this was the one I wasn't 100% sure on. And normally when I feel like that about something, I shouldn't keep it. I feel like this one will be just a really nice, easy one just to chuck on in the summer. It fits a bit strange. Do I like it? That massive here, it's there, and then here, really big, and then it goes, no, I think I'm going to send this one back. I actually do like this one on. I think I'm going to keep it. I think with a wash that will soften up. Keep my arms down like this. And this is the brown top. I actually saw somebody the other day on Instagram and she was wearing a vest like this, and she had the lace top that I bought the other week from Zara. She had that, so she had this on top of it, and she did the lace arms. That might be a nice outfit. Tonight we're gonna finish the last episode of Yellowstone. I've seen there's a new series out, the Marshal of that, so that's kind of taken up our evenings for the last 2 months. Any recommendations on what we should watch next will be much appreciated. I really liked Yellowstone, but I did find it really slow. Some seasons and episodes were just so slow. Something big would happen and they'd completely skip over it and then go to like 6 months later. And I thought, why have you not focused on that? I didn't not like it, but it was very slow in places. I saw that Euphoria? Euphoria have a new season coming out in April, so I actually can't remember. I watched it so many years ago, so I think we're going to rewatch that. But yeah, any TV recommendations that have, like, bearing in mind I'd watch a lot of TV every single night without fail. I have to have at least an hour of TV. That's my like zone out time. Like I'm go all day, says me with the Housewives on here. I feel like there's one called Tell Me Lies or something. Maybe I should watch that. I've heard a lot of people talking about that. Maybe I should watch that next. But yeah, drop your recommendations down below. Nothing really old because I've probably already seen it. My favourite ever programmes, other than obviously the Housewives, I would say, thinking of something new to watch, my top recommendations of things that are like, wow, you have to watch this. Number 1, Handmaid's Tale. Unbelievable. Horrific, but unbelievable. I was never really sure about watching it. I'd put it off for a couple of years, and then absolutely gripping. It is so odd in places and scary and upsetting, but it's well worth a watch. Breaking Bad, I've actually watched that probably twice. Probably that and Handmaid's Tale, probably the top 2, my top 2. They're the only ones that really stand out, like things I've been like absolutely amazing. Yeah, that's the kind of things I like. I like a bit of drama. I like another one, Homeland. By the time it's got to like the 4th or 5th season, I've got bored of it. But the first probably 2 seasons of Homeland, amazing. I'm trying to think of ones we've rewatched. Last year we ended up like rewatching a lot of ones, because if I watched them like 5-6 years ago, that time of my life has literally been erased from my memory. Watching them again was like watching it again for the first time. Oh, Prison Break. I loved that. Homeland, Prison Break, Breaking Bad, Handmaid's Tale. Yeah, they're my top 4 ever. Loads more. I have definitely watched a lot more than that. I just can't think of them off the top of my head. And obviously good old Housewives. I'm actually rewatching Beverly Hills back from the beginning. I think I'm on season 5. I can't find the remote control. I'm on season 5, so Kim Richards is still in it. Brandy, Lisa Vanderpump's still in it. If you haven't watched Housewives, start off with Beverly Hills or Salt Lake City. They're both, I flip between the 2, or what one's my favourite, just to shut off away from the world. So yeah, definitely Housewife recommendations if you haven't watched it. I'm so jealous for you. Beverly Hills and Salt Lake City. They're my favourite 2. He was supposed to help me bring this chair back in, and he said I'll do it later, and they just come to inform me. I'm scared. Oh. Are you having a laugh? If you're eating, look away. I'm so annoyed. I asked you to help me put it away. Oh, I'm not touching that. I'm not sure if I like these sunglasses. What do you think? I like them when I look in the mirror, but when I'm looking in here, I'm not sure. I feel like they need to be a little bit more oversized. Anyway, I've got a spare hour free before school pickup. So I am going to go to a radiator outlet shop thing and see if I can get a radiator for our downstairs bathroom. But actually, saying that, I have no idea what size I need to get. I have no clue. So really, I need Adam with me to let me know if it's gonna fit. So go to Dunelm, because the last time I went to Dunelm, it was very unsuccessful. They were stocking up the shelves, and see if I can get any like bathroom accessories. I don't know why I thought there was a radiator shop around here. It's actually like an advert for one on like a billboard thing. Where could I try? See what's near. I had a change of heart and come to Homesense instead. And so far, that was a good decision. I did get triple chocolate cookies from Marks and Spencer's for Savannah, they're her favourite, and a pink lemonade for myself. Obsessed with this. Keeping my eye out for some new cushions for my bed and like a throw, and some like accessories for the bedroom, not the bedroom, the bathroom. So I didn't really go with a plan in my mind anyway. I think I need a trip over to Lakeside soon. I haven't been there for months, and I always seem to have such a successful shop there. They've got all the shops in one place in the retail park, and they always seem to have like the best stock. So I might do that next week. Next week will be the bathroom reveal. I've got the video ready with everything. It's just like the finishing touches. So yes, I'm gonna give you a clue. It is brown, and it's a very small room, and there was a lot of disasters that went wrong with it. Might be an entertaining watch. I DIY'd some shelves in there, repainted and colour drenched the whole space. We just need to finish off with changing over or sorting out the radiator and adding the tap. I don't really need to buy anything else, but it's nice to finish it off with like a nice new towel and candles and things like that. So yes, I will upload that video next week when it is all done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed spending the last few days with me. It's been a bit of a mishmash because I don't even know what I've done this week apart from the bathroom, so I have no idea what I've actually included in this, got up to for this vlog, but hope you enjoyed it anyway. Catch you next week. Bye.